Any toast you can make, I can make better. I can make any toast better than you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Actually, I can't. I need help making toast.
Hi guys, today we're making toast. Today we need bread, butter, and all choices of jelly. You also need a plate and a knife. Get a piece of bread, put it in the toaster, put the lever to number 1, and then push this down. And now we wait. And then you're going to take the toast out of the toaster. And your mom's going to take out the bread. Now it's time to put on the toppings. You can eat it. Had it better than you, Tim. Put food back in the pantry. Put food back in the fridge.
Let's review. How many pieces of bread were used? A, 1, B, 2, C, 3. The correct answer is 1. What appliance did she use? A, oven, B, microwave, C, toaster. The correct answer is toaster. What did she put on the bread? A, butter, B, chocolate, C, syrup. Correct answer is butter. What else did she put on the bread? A, jelly, B, chocolate, C, syrup. The correct answer is jelly. Where is butter kept? A, pantry, B, fridge, C, freezer. The correct answer is fridge.